Okay. वेणुरन्ध्रतरलाङ्गुलीदलम्
वेणुरन्ध्रतरलाङ्गुलीदलम्
तालसञ्चलितपादपल्लवम्
तालसञ्चलितपादपल्लवम्
तत्स्थितं तव परोक्षमप्यहो
तत्स्थितं तव परोक्षमप्यहो
संविचिन्त्य मुमुहुर्व्रजाङ्गनाः
संविचिन्त्य मुमुहुर्व्रजाङ्गनाः वेणुरन्ध्रतरलाङ्गुलीदलम् तालसञ्चलितपादपल्लवम् तत्स्थितं तव परोक्षमप्यहो संविचिन्त्य मुमुहुर्व्रजाङ्गनाः।
So, okay, just give a minute. Okay, so now what happens? Venu Randhra, the holes on that, on the flute, Tarala Anguli Dalam. So his fingers are very delicately moving on the flute. He's playing the flute. And then how is he? You can stay muted, please, because I'm not on my laptop. I'll not be able to search. Please mute yourself. Then Tala Sanchalita, giving the Tala, the rhythm, by what? Pada Pallavam, by the delicate foot, his foot tapping with the Tala. Tat Sthitam Tava Paroksham. Gopikas are not seeing him directly. It's a paroksha. They are in their minds, they have imagined and seen that form of Lord. And thinking like that, Samvichintya, that Lord's tender fingers are moving on the flute, his tender feet is tapping, he's standing like that cross leg and all. Thinking like that, Samvichintya mumuhuhu. Again, they fall for the Lord. Again, they are captivated by that Lord's form, where in their mind, and who? Vrajanganaha. And this, where is that word? So, aho is like giving us a surprise. So, paroksham api aho samvichintya muhuhu mumuhur vrajanganaha, the gopika. So, that is such a wonder that Lord is not there in front of them, and they are still imagining and visualizing that and experiencing that same thing, like how if the Lord would have been in front of them, how it would have been. Like same thing they are feeling. By their mind they are evoking Lord in front of them, the one who is not there in front. Wow. वेणुरन्ध्रतरलाङ्गुलीदलं तालसञ्चलितपादपल्लवम् तत्स्थितं तव परोक्षमप्यहो संविचिन्त्य मुमुहुर्व्रजाङ्गनाः. Shamalaji. What happens is when the camera is not on, I won't be able to spotlight, and I'm on the phone, so it is very tough to keep scrolling on this phone and to reach the phone. But anyways, now I'll keep it like this. It is easy. Nirvishanka bhavadanga darshini.
निर्विशङ्ग भवदङ्गदर्शिनीः
Hechari khagamrigan shunapi.
खेचरिः खगमृगान् पशूनपि
त्वत्पदप्रणयिकाननञ्च ताः
त्वत्पदप्रणयिकाननं च ताः
धन्यधन्यमिति नन्वमानयन्.
धन्यधन्यमिति नन्वमानयन् निर्विशङ्क भवदङ्गदर्शनीः खेचरिः खगमृगान् पशूनपि त्वत्पदप्रणयिकाननं च ताः धन्यधन्यमिति नन्वमानयन्.
So dhanya dhanyamiti nanvam dhanya dhanyamiti nanu amanayan. That is the sandhi. Nanu amanayan. Amanayan means okay, they agreed. They agreed, past tense. Amanayan. Dhanya dhanyamiti. Lucky. How lucky? Who is lucky? Who is thinking like that? Gopikas are thinking like that. Why they are thinking like that? About whom they are thinking like that? See what is happening now. Those the word, see, khechari. Khechari is the one who are in the sky. So all the divine apsaras and all. Then this khaga is bird, mruga is animal, the deer, the pashun, the cow. Sorry, mrugas are animals, pashu is the cow. All of them are able to see the Lord like that directly. And tvat pada pranay kananam chataha. And that pada pranay, he's doing the tala with his feet, right? So even the bhumi, even that forest is able to feel and see the Lord. Gopika is not able to see. So they are feeling that how lucky they are, the fortunate they are. Gopikas are not seeing the Lord, but they are seeing him in their mind. This is like the bhakta and the vibhakta. I remember. So when you want to go to Guruvayur, there is this queue and you want to see the Lord, any temple for that matter. You are such a great devotee, you don't mind waiting 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours in that queue. You are a bhakta, yeah? You have joined to the Lord. And okay, in Guruvayur phones are not allowed. But now when your line is approaching the Lord, closer and closer, you're going to the Sanctum Sanctorum, somebody calls or something happens, and now you are closer there, but your mind is not connected. You are vibhakta from there. But when you are far, you are the Sanctum Sanctorum is not seen, the altar is not seen, the Garbhagudi is not seen. That time you are seeing the Lord. You are seeing the Lord that time and eager to see him. And then once some thought comes, a phone call comes, something, you are closer to the Lord. Your mind is not there. Vibhakta. Gopikas are thinking they are so lucky. They are seeing the Lord directly. So a thought came that whether they are seeing the Lord, are they having that same earnestness as what Gopikas are seeing, to value that what they are seeing? They are feeling it and they are experiencing the joy anyways. So they are not getting upset or anything. They are seeing them. They're so fortunate. Dhanya Dhanya Miti only they are seeing. निर्विशंक भवदंगदर्शिनीः खेचरी खगमृगान् पशूनपि त्वत्पदप्रणयिकाननं च ताः धन्य धन्यमिति नन्वमानयन्. Okay. Anybody has raised their hand? I think so difficult in this one. My internet connection has gone. Okay, Sushma ji, please come. Number 8. आपिबेयमधरामृतं कदा
आपिबेयमधरामृतं कदा
वेणुभोक्तरसशेषमेकदा
वेणुभुक्तरसशेषमेकदा
दूरतो बत कृतं दुराशयेत्याकुला मुहुरिमासमामुहम्. Or you'll have to stop at durashaya, like that, and ityakula you'll have to do that, but it will break the chandas. But what is the word over here there? Duratobata kritam durashaya iti akula. So if we'll bring the word e over there to say that iti or ityakula, giving one extra alphabet over there will break the chandas. So we are not breaking over here.
Pibeyamadharamruta. Oh, sorry, I have to do the second line.
Okay, okay, doesn't matter. Okay.
Pibeyamadharamrutam kada वेणुभुक्तरसशीर्षमेकदा दूरतो बत कृतं दुराशयेत्याकुलमुहुरिमा समामुहन्.
So now what happens is Samamohan. Samamohan is they are little distressed now. Thinking of what? See, Apibeyam, drinking. Adhara Amruta. Adhara is the lower lip. So while playing the flute, Lord has to blow, right? So this lower lip is touching over there on the flute. So they are thinking this Vedu Bhukta, this flute, after it has bhukta, after it has finished eating, drinking that rasa of Lord's adhara. Adhara means lower. Then ekada, once, if anything is balanced after that, hope we will get to drink that rasa. So, durataha, from far only, but it is not possible. So, durashaya, they got more, yearning for the Lord, that even that flute is getting the chance. They are not. So, durashaya, their asha was increasing. And because of that, ite akula, they became more in distress. And they were feeling that yearning, that akula means its yearning is becoming more. And that's why they were again and again, muhuhu, again and again, feeling very disappointed. That will they ever get a chance? Will anything balance remain? Everything fruit is only getting what they will get. I hope that balance of whatever Venu Bhukta, whatever the flute has eaten, if there is some shesha, then we can get. Pibeyamadharamrutam kada kada, when we will get. Venu bhuktarasamash. Sorry. Pibeyamadharamrutam kada Venu bhuktarasasheshame kada Durato bata kritam durashayetya muhurima sama. Sorry. दूरतो बत कृतं दुराशयेत्याकुला मुहुरिमा समामुहन्. No new hands? Okay, Lalita ji. प्रत्यहञ्च पुनरित्थमङ्गनाः
प्रत्यहञ्च पुनरित्थमङ्गनाः
चित्तयोनिजनितादनुग्रहात्
चित्तयोनिजनितादनुग्रहात्
बद्धरागविवशास्त्वयि प्रभो
बद्धरागविवशास्त्वयि प्रभो
नित्यमापुरिह कृत्यमूढताम्.
नित्यमापुरिह कृत्यमूढताम् प्रत्यहञ्च पुनरित्थमङ्गनाः चित्तयोनिजनितादनुग्रहात् बद्धरागविवशास्त्वयि प्रभो नित्यमापुरिह कृत्यमूढताम्.
So now this line says that pratyaham, every day, always, aham, aharnisha, that. So always, punaha, itham, again and again, thus, anganaha. Anganaha means these gopikas. Angana is actually translated as a woman. So why a woman means gopikas. Chitta yoni ja Chitta Yoni Janitat. Chitta Yoni Janita, Chitta Yoni. In the mind, who's creating disturbance is the Kamadeva. So he has caused this yearning in Gopika's mind, and that they're taking it as blessing. Towards the Lord only they have this, right? So that is taken as positive. And because of that, baddhaha. They are tied, and they are become raga vivashaha. Desire. They're helpless to that desire, and they've got attachment to the Lord. And that is why Baddharaga Vivashaha Tvai Prabho, to you, O Lord. Therefore, Nityamapuhu, they became for their Nitya Karyas, Krutya Mudhatam. For their daily chores, it's not possible for them to do now. They were so much intensely loving the Lord that now it has gone beyond all limits. So they can't do their daily chores also anymore. प्रत्यहञ्च पुनरित्थमङ्गनाः चित्तयोनिजनितादनुग्रहात् बद्धरागविवशास्त्वयि प्रभो नित्यमापुरिह कृत्यमूढताम्. Lataji, meter changes.
Yeah.
Am I seen?
Yeah, you can. I can see you.
But there is one phone call coming. Oh, boy. A phone call, because now I'm in mobile. Now it's going to be it's like this. My God. And that's why the whole class speed has gone. Internet has still not come. God only knows what is the outage. They were doing some road work outside. Maybe they have hit the wire, or God only knows whatever it is. The meter has changed. We have seen this meter before, and we'll not waste time on this. We'll just go, because already a lot of time is wasted today. Ragastavajayate hi svabhavat. So ending.
रागस्तावज्जायते हि स्वभावात्
Mokshopayo yatnatasyanavasyat.
मोक्षोपायो यत्नतस्यान्न वा स्यात्
तासान्त्वेकं तद्वयं लब्धमासीत्.
तासां त्वेकं तद्वयं लब्धमासीत्
Dvayam, Anuswaras lakara.
द्वयं, yeah.
Bhagyam. Okay, go ahead.
तासां त्वेकं तद्वयं लब्धमासीत्
Bhagyam pahi mam marutesha.
भाग्यं पाहि मां मारुतेश. So the first two lines, do I break it and end it in the, or continue with, because there's a
Whichever,
hyphen?
as per your wish. As if you can hold the breath, you can do. Otherwise, you can break.
I'll try. Okay. रागस्तावज्जायते हि स्वभावान् मोक्षोपायो यत्नतस्यान्न वा स्यात् तासां त्वेकं तद्वयं लब्धमासीत् भाग्यं पाहि मां मारुतेश. सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा.
Okay. So ragaha is the desire or the attachment. Tavat jayate hi svabhavat. By nature, everybody will have a desire, everybody will have an attachment. But mokshopayaha. But it may yatnataha, even by trying, syat navasyat. It may or may not be possible to have a liberation. For moksha, you can have an attachment to someone, but having attachment to someone may not give you moksha. May also, may not. But tasam means to them, to whom? To them means, tasa means to them. To them means to the gopikas, ekam tadvayam labdhamasid. They got one. Their attachment was also to the Lord, and their seeking liberation is also on the Lord only. They didn't have separate ways. That one way only is for them. Only one person in life. So bhagyam, how lucky they are that they're both the goals, the worldly and this goal. They don't have only two separate goals in life. They have only one. All their effort, whatever they are putting, is only on the Lord. Attachment is also on the Lord. So their liberation is guaranteed. It's not they are trying for liberation. They are with the Lord. It is whether they don't want also anything else. So such a bhagya, so lucky they are. And then, as always, Patanjali ends with Pahi Pahi Mam Marutesha. Pahi, protect me, oh Lord. Guruvarappa. रागस्तावज्जायते हि स्वभावात् मोक्षोपायो यत्नतस्यान्न वा स्यात् तासां त्वेकं तद्वयं लब्धमासीत् भाग्यं पाहि मां मारुतेश सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवं नमस्ते. With His grace, we have completed. Let's get into the next is Dashakam number 60. Gopika Vastra Harana. Gopika Vastra Apaharana. It's 6-5. Let's see how much we can complete. We'll complete that much. Viyogini, have we done before? Yes, we have done. Okay. So we'll start with you, Anika. Viyogini Chandas, we have done. Madanatura Chetasonvaham.
मदनातुरचेतसोऽन्वहम्
भवदङ्घ्रिद्वय दास्य काम्यया
भवदङ्घ्रिद्वयदास्य काम्यया
यमुनातटसीं निसैकतीम्
यमुनातटसीं निसैकतीं
तरलाक्ष्यो गिरिजां समार्चिचन्
तरलाक्ष्यो गिरिजां समार्चिचन् मदनातुरहे चेतसोऽन्वहम् भवदङ्घ्रिद्वयदास्य काम्यया यमुनातटसीं निसैकतीं तरलाक्ष्यो गिरिजां
Samarchichan. So Madana Madanatura Chetasaha. Their mind, Chetasaha mind, Madanatura. They were yearning for the Lord so much that every day Bhavadangri Dvaya. Angri is feet. 2 feet. They have 2 lotus feet. Dasya Kamyaya. To serve your lotus feet. Dasya. To serve it. Kamyaya. They had this only desire, that they should serve the Lord's feet. Then Yamuna Tata. On the banks of the Yamuna. Seemni. Yamuna Tata Seemni. On the banks of that. Saikatim. Sikata is sand. Saikatim, of the sand, from the sand. Taralakshiyaha. What they are doing? They are making Girija. So, Girija is Parvati. In Bhagavad Puran, we will hear specifically Katyayani. So they made Katyayani's murti out of the sand, and then Samarchichan did worship her. Madanatura Chetasonvaham Bhavadangridvayadasya Kamyaya Yamunatatasim Nisaikatim Taralaksho Girijam Samarchichan. Okay. All confusion. I don't know how I'm managing this. Okay.
Please repeat the second line. Can't hear properly.
Okay. Am I audible okay now?
Yes.
Sunita, okay. Yamuna tatasim nisaikatim Taralakshyo girijam samarchichan. Is it correct? Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, Lord. Yes.
Okay, fair.
Thank you,
Okay.
Archana.
Anish. तव नाम कथारथास् तव नाम कथारथाः समम्
तव नाम कथारता समम्
सुदृशः प्रातरुपागता नदीम्
दृशः प्रातरुपागता गतान् नदीम्
उपहारशतैरपूजयन्
उपहारशतैरपूजयन्
दयितो नन्दसुतो भवेदिति
दयितो नन्दसुतो भवेदिति तव नाम कथारताः समम् सुदृशः प्रातरुपागता नदीम् उपहारशतैरपूजयन् दयितो नन्दसुतो भवेदिति.
Okay, so now see, such beautiful thing. Tava nama katharataha, your name and your katha, they are rataha, they are completely immersed and completely engrossed in chanting your name and telling your stories. And for that, sudrushaha pratar upagataha. So, in the morning, they would go to that river, to Yamuna river. How? Upahara shataihi, by taking so many things to offer. Upahara. Like it's not just the gifts, but things, dravyas to offer and do the puja to Katyayani Devi. And over here it is written as Girija. Daitaha. Daita is husband. Nandasutaha Daitaha Bhaved. May the Nandasuta, may the son of Nanda Babaji become my husband. Iti Bhavet. Iti Apujayan. They would offer, they would worship Lord Katyayani, asking her that may Krishna be my husband. This is what Gopika's wish was, and they kept on doing this day by day. And singing his name and telling her stories. They're not doing anything else. They're just with the Lord's name and retelling stories. तव नाम कथारता समम् सुदृशः प्रातरुपागता नदीम् उपहारशतैरपूजयन् दयितो नन्दसुतो भवेदिति. Sorry. Arjun is there. I'm not seeing anything on my screen now. Hariom, am I there? Am I audible? Ah, okay. Okay, now the screen has come back again. Okay, let's go ahead. Iti masamupahitavrataah
इतिमासमुपाहितव्रताः
तरलाक्षीरभिवीक्षता भवान्
सरलाक्षीरभिवीक्ष्यता भवान्
करुणामृदुलो नदीतटम्
करुणामृदुलो नदीतटम्
समयासीतदनुग्रहेच्छया
समयासीत्तदनुग्रहेच्छया इति मासमुपाहितव्रताः तरलक्षीरभिवीक्ष्यता भवान् करुणामृदुलो नदीतटम् समयासीत्तदनुग्रहेच्छया.
So now what has happened? Iti masam, like that 1 month, upahita vrataha, they have taken this vrata. So this Katyayani vrata is taken for 1 month to get the desired husband. So this is one of the vratas that many women do. Over here, Gopikas have done this. And then in the Lokika world, people do this. Then Taralakshibhir avikshata bhavan, to see them, Bhavan, to see them, he became eager. Karuna mrudulaha. He melted with his compassion that he must go and see them on that Nadi Tata, on that bank of the river he should go. And Samayasi tadanugrahechaya, so that he could bless them with what they have desired. इति मासमुपाहितव्रताः तरलाक्षीरभिवीक्ष्यता भवान् करुणामृदुलो नदीतटं समयासीत् तदनुग्रहेच्छया. Sahana. Number 4. नियमावसितौ निजाम्बरम्
नियमावसितौ निजाम्बरम्
तटसीन्यवमुच्यतास्तदा
how do you pronounce this? Tatasim. Okay,
सीमन्यवमुच्यतास्तदा.
Okay. Tatasimanyavamuchyataस्tada.
यमुना जलखेलनाकुलाः.
Yamuna
So in
jalakhelanakulaha.
essence, Shastri, that Yamuna, you have to give the ukara for mo.
Yamuna jalakhelanakulaha.
पुरतस्त्वामवलोक्य लज्जिताः.
पुरतस्त्वामवलोक्य लज्जिताः नियमावसितौ निजाम्बरम् तटसीमन्यवमुच्यतास्तदा यमुना जलखेलनाकुलाः पुरतस्त्वामवलोक्य लज्जिताः.
So now what has happened? Niyama avasita. Now all their vrata is over. So that time, now since their whatever they were doing, that puja is over. Nija ambaram, their clothes, tata simani, on the banks of the river, avamuchya, keeping that, taha tada, those, means those gopikas tada, that time, yamuna jala khelana akulaha, they left their clothes on the banks of the river and they were now wanting to play in the water of Yamuna. That time, purataha, in their front, Tvam avalokya, having seen you, Pattatriji is saying to the Lord, having seen you, avalokya, our Lyabantavya it is, lajjitaha, they felt shy. Niyamavasitau nijambaram tatasimanyavamucchatastada yamuna jalakhelanakulaha puratastvamalokya lajjitaha. Lalita ji. Trapayanamitananasvatho
Trapayanamitananasvatho
Vanita swambarajalamantika
Vanita swambarajalamantika
Nihitam parigrihya bhuruho
Nihitam parigruhya bhuruho
Bhuruhaha, like that it will happen. Nihitam parigrihya bhuruhaha
Nihitam parigruhya bhuruhaha
Vitapantvantarasadhirudhavan
Vitapantvam tarasadhirudhavan Trapayanamitananasvatho Vanita swambarajalamantika Nihitam parigruhya bhuruhaha Vitapantvam tarasadhirudhavan.
Okay, so now what happens? Trapaya, third case. Trapaya is out of shyness. Namita, ananasu, atha. So thereafter, Namita, bend down, anana, out of trapaya, out of shyness. Who? This Vanitaha, all these gopikas. And Vanitasu, Vanitasu, uh, Namitananasu. So when they had bent their head, so that is a then Ambara Jala Mantike. Ambara Jala is like the clothes, the Jala of the clothes means there are so many clothes of all the gopis. They are kept as a heap, that entire bundle. Nihitam. Lord took that, Parigrihya, he took, having taken that, Bhuruhaha. Bhuruha is a tree. Vitapa is a branch. Tvam Tarasa Adhirudhavan. Tarasa, quickly, Adhirudhavan. The bunch of clothes that were lying out over there, Lord picks it, he takes that and he goes. So Nihita, that Ambara Jalantike Nihita, that where it was kept, that Ambara Jala he has taken and now he has climbed the tree. So Trapayanamitananasu atho Vanitasu. Vanitasu namita ananasu. These two vibhaktis will go together. Trapayanamitananasvatho Vanitasvambarajalamantike Nihitam parigruhya bhuruhaha Vitapantvantarsadhirudhavam. What else is there? Okay, Lataji. Ihatavadupetya niyatam.
Ihatavadupetya niyatam.
Vasanam sudrusho yatha yatham.
Vasanam vasudrusho yatha yatham.
Iti narma mrudusmite tvai.
Iti narma mrudusmite tvayi.
Bruvate vyamumuhe vadhujanaihi.
Bruvati vyamumuhe vadhujanaihi. Ihatavadupetya niyatam. Vasanam vasudrusho yatha yatham. Iti narma mrudusmite tvayi. Bruvati vyamumuhe vadhujanaihi.
Lord Atsana. Iha tavat. Iha tavat. Over here. Tavat. Here itself. Upetya. You should come over here. Having come over here. Niyatam vasanam vaha. Vaha is you. Avyushmat shabdas. Your clothes. Vasanam. Niyatam. Take. You can take. But iha tavat upetya. Having come over here itself, you should come and take your clothes. Oh, Sudrushaha, Sudrushaha, the one who has beautiful eyes. Su, very nice, Drushaha. Yatha yatham, Lord says. Means correctly I'll come in one line probably, or yatha yatham means just come properly and take your clothes and go. Iti narma mrudu smite, like this, very, very naughtifully or joyfully, and with a small mandasmita, mrudu smita, with a small smile, Lord is telling, Tvai bruvati. Bhattatriji is saying, like this, you told. And vyamumuhe vadhujanaihi. Vadhujanaihi, by the gopikas, vyamumuhe. They didn't know what to do. Lord is saying like this, now you come and take the clothes. They don't know what to do now. So this is the prasanga which is most criticized or badly said about. Lord is calling you and saying you are not wearing clothes. It shows you are having awareness and abhiman of your body. Deha abhimana. Everything needs to be dropped. thing is there in front of the Lord. But I am feeling shy. That itself is showing I am aware of my body. Completely unaware can you go to Lord without anything. We did it. Are we able to? We should hold it. So much ego we will carry of ourselves that it is very tough to drop our ego. They dropped their ego and they have gone. They dropped there, they have Bhiman. It's not me, it's Lord. That meanness, I-ness, miness, mine, it's all gone. It is that time they did go to the Lord. So who can go to the Lord when I, me, minus is dropped, when Dehabhiman is dropped, when the ego is dropped, when the difference is dropped, the Dvaita Bhava is dropped, you can achieve Lord. And this people will not understand. Hare Krishna. Even now, this is giving way today. Oh, it's not easy, no, to. Hare Om. Am I the only one over here? No, no, no. There are. My God. Today it is a tough day, okay? It's really a tough day. Anyways, we have understood. I hope so. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Vaishnavi,
Vaishnavi.
you're audible. You're audible, but only your picture is
Okay,
not
I
very
don't
clear.
know.
You are audible. We
I
can
don't
see.
know what to do today. Somehow, okay, somehow we will manage today and finish off this. Ayo, Krishna, what he is doing. इह तावदुपेत्य नीयतां वसनं वसुदृशो यथा यथम् इति नर्ममृदुस्मिते त्वयि ब्रुवतिव्या there should be a dvitva. We have not probably chanted it. ब्रुवतिव्या मुमुहे वधूजनैः. Lalita ji. अयि जीव चिरं किशोरनः
अयि जीव चिरं किशोरनः
चिरं किशोर नकार तव दासीरवशीकरोषि किम्
तव दासीरवशीकरोषि किम्
प्रदिशाम्बरमम्बुजे क्षणेति
प्रदिशाम्बरमम्बुजे क्षणेति
उदितस्त्वं स्मितमेव दत्तवान्
उदितस्त्वं स्मितमेव दत्तवान् अयि जीव चिरं किशोर अयि जीव चिरं किशोरनस्. Can you repeat one?
नः
Okay. अयि जीव चिरं किशोरनः तव दासीरवीक्षीकरोषि किम् प्रदिशाम्बरमम्बुजे क्षणे उदितस्त्वं स्मितमेव दत्तवान्.
स्मितमेव उदितस्त्वं स्मितमेव दत्तवान्. It is like that. Okay. Ai Jeevachiram. Ai, oh, Jeevachiram. Live long, Kishora. Oh boy. Naha. To us. Dasihi. Avashikaroshikim. Why are you teasing us? We are dasis to you. We are your mere servants. Pradishambara. Give. Pradisha. Ambara. Clothes. Ambujekshana. Oh, the lotus-eyed one. Iti uditaha. When they said like that, tvam smitameva dattavan. You didn't give the clothes. You just gave the smile. So they are saying, we are your servants. You long live. Oh, lotus-eyed one, please give us our clothes. Ai jeeva chiram kishoranaha तव दासीरवशीकरोषि किं प्रदिशाम्बरमम्बुजे क्षणेति उदितस्त्वं स्मितमेव दत्तवान्. Oh, Sunita ji, yes, come. That's what I'm thinking. Why only Lalita ji and Lata ji and everybody is tired or what today? Nobody is raising hands and we have got so many shlokas more to go. Okay, Sumita ji, you are there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
start.
I'm there.
Adhirutatankritaanjalihi
अधिरुह्य तटङ्कृताञ्जलिः
Parishuddha swagatirniरीक्षताः
परिशुद्धा स्वगतिर्निरीक्ष्यताः
ताः
परिशुद्धा स्वगतिर्निरीक्ष्यताः
निरीक्ष्यताः
निरीक्ष्यताः
वसनान्यखिलान्यनुग्रहम्
वसनान्यखिलान्यनुग्रहन्
ग्रहम्
वसनान्यखिलान्यनुग्रहम्
पुनरेवङ्गिरमप्यदामुदा
पुनरेवङ्गिरमप्यदामुदा अधिरुह्य तटङ्कृताञ्जलिः परिशुद्धा स्वगति निरीक्षयताः वसनान्यखिलान्यनुग्रहम् पुनरेवङ्गिरमप्यदामुदा.
Swagatir nirikshya, you say. When you're saying nirikshaya, you are giving two words, so you are missing the tune because chandas is broken. Anyways, so now adhiruhya, having climbed up, tatam, on the banks, krutanjalihi, with the folded hands, parishuddhaha, they are already purified, swagatihi, they have surrendered now to the Lord. Nirikshataha, having seen such nirikshataha, having seen them like this. Adhiruhya, Krutanjalihi, Parishuddhaha, Swagatihi. Means all this, that we should be Shuddha, we should have a surrender, we should join hands, we have to Upanishad meaning, like that. So now they have approached the Lord in all this. Vasanani. Akhilani. So that is how it is our Yanusandhi. Vasana is clothes. Akhilani is everything. All the clothes. Anugraham. And he gave them all the clothes. And Anugraha also. And Giram Apada Muda. He Giram Api Muda. Adaha. So there is that Ada word. Giram Api Ada. Ada is to give. Muda is happy. So happily, Lord gave the clothes, all the clothes also, and he gave one word. He said something to them. What we will see in the next. Adhiruhyatatankritaanjalihi parishuddha swagatirniരീक्षताः vasanamyakilanyanugraham punarevangiramapyadamuda giram api ada. So there is the word ada. Okay. Any new person is okay. Sahana's hand I can see. Please come over. Number 9. Viditannanuvో manishitam.
विदितन्ननुवो मनीषितम्
Vaditarastviha yogyamuttaram.
वदितारस्त्विह योग्यमुत्तरम्
Yamuna puline sachandrikaha.
यमुनापुलिने सचन्द्रिकाः
Pranada ityabalaस्त्वमूचिवान्.
क्षणदा इत्यबलास्त्वमूचिवान् विदितन्ननुवो मनीषितम् वदितारस्त्विह योग्यमुत्तरम् यमुनापुलिने सचन्द्रिकाः क्षणदा इत्यबलास्त्वमूचिवान्.
So now Lord says to them, Viditam, I know, Nanu, obviously I know, without any doubt I know. Vaha, wo is there, no? So when we open the sandhi, it will become Vaha. Your, Yushmat Shabda it is. Manishitam, what is in your mind, I know it. Vaditaraha, Vaditaraha, told. So, where did it go? Veditaraha tu iha yogyam uttaram. I will Vaditaraha. I will be telling you yogyam uttaram, the perfect answer for your desire. So Yamuna Puline, on the banks of the river, Sachandrikaha, when there is a moonlight, Kshanada, in that night, iti balaha tvam iti abalaha tvam uchivan, to the abala, to the strees, to the gopikas, tvam uchivan, you said so. That I know what you want, I know it perfectly, you will get all the answers. Come on that night when all the stars are lit, the moon is bright in the sky on Yamuna Tata. That night I will tell you what it is. Viditannanu manishitam vaditarastviha yogyamuttaram Yamuna puline sachandrikaha kshanaityabalaastvamuchivan. Okay. So there are two more shlokas, one Lataji, another Lalitaji will do. First Lataji can come. Upakarnya bhavan mukhachutam
Upakarnya bhavan mukhachutam
madhunishyandi vacho mrigi drishaha
madhunishyandi vacho mrugi drishaha
pranayadai viksha vikshate
pranayadai vikshya vikshyate
vadanabjaushanakairgrihangataha
वदनाब्जं शनकैर्गृहं गताः उपकर्ण्य भवन्मुखच्युतं मधुनिष्यन्ति वचो मृगीदृशः प्रणयादैर्वीक्ष्य वीक्ष्यते वदनाब्जं शनकैर्गृहं गताः.
So nice. So Upakaran heard Bhavan, Bhavat, Mukhachutam, from your mouth, Bhavan, your Mukhachutam, from your mouth that fell what? Madhunishyandi, honey like vachaha, words, Mrugidrushaha, the one, the honey, the doe-eyed ones, that Mruganayani, and the deer-eyed ones, Pranayad, with love, Oi, oh ho ho, Vikshya Vikshate Vadanabjam. Your lotus-like face, seeing, Vikshya Viksha, seeing again and again. Shanakaihi, slowly, Grihangataha, went home. Upakarnya bhavan mukhachitam madhunishyandi vacho mrigidrishaha pranayadai viksha vikshate vadanabjam shanakairgrihangataha. That speech of Lord that Lord has addressed, Lord has told them, assured them he knows what they want and he'll be talking about it. That they felt, oh, it's like a honey dropping from Lord's lotus-like face. They are not able to go home also, they have to go home also. So they're seeing Lord again and again. Then going. Last but not the least, please come over. Iti nanvanugruhya vallavihi
इति नन्वनुगृह्य वल्लवीः
vipinante. If it is vipri, it's not pri, it's pi. Vipinanteshu pureva sancharan
विपिनान्तेषु पुरेव सञ्चरन्
karunashishiro hare hare
करुणाशिशिरो हरे हर
त्वरयामे सकलामयावलिम्
त्वरयामे सकलामयावलिम् इति नन्वनुगृह्य वल्लवी विपिनान्तेषु पुरेव सञ्चरन् करुणाशिशिरो हरेहर त्वरया मे सकलामयावलिम्.
Iti,
Sada-
in this way, Nanu, in this way, Anugruhya, having blessed, Vallavihi, all these gopikas, Vipina Anteshu, Vipina forest, Kanana, Vipina, Vana, forest, Anteshu, Pura Eva Sancharan, like before, you just went roaming in the forest like before. Karuna Shishiro Hare, oh Hari, who are Karuna Shishira, you are so overwhelming compassion, and Shishira is, you are giving that, we say warmth of love, but over here it is that coolness of love. It has been said, Hara, remove, Tvaraya, immediately, me, my, Sakala Amayavali, like Deepavali we have, Deepavali, the rose of light. Amayavali, my series of diseases are there. Sakala series of disease may hara, O Guru Vairappa. Is nothing, Guru Vairappa. Is Karuna Shishira Hare. O Hari, whose compassion is so cooling, my host of diseases, lines of diseases, the bunch of diseases, please remove. So when these lines come, no, if we have our thought also like that, then the efficacy of the dashakam is higher. Thinking about all this. And then there is one custom to say the Katyayani shlok over here. So this Katyayani shlok, which the mantra for all the married, all the unmarried girls to get a good husband. So that comes in Bhagavatam. So Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 21. Am I audible? Hariom, am I there?
Yes,
Yes,
Varsha, you are.
Yes,
Okay. So 10.21.4 in the Bhagavatam. I'll just chant and keep, but you all go and refer back the Bhagavat and see and write it over here. Many chant it as at the end of this dashakam. Many don't chant it also. In our class, we will chant it. Okay. So, Katyayani Mahamaye Mahayoginyadhishwari Nandagopasutam Devi Patim me kurute namaha. See that verse, alright? Nanda Sutaha Daitaha. So same thing as here. Iti mantran japantyastha pujan chakruh kumarikaha. 10.21.4. Okay. So please write it down. I have written it down with the pencil in my notebook over here. So you all also write like how we have written Narasimha Shloka, Rama Shloka, like this. You also write with the heading Katyayani Shloka, like that you can put a heading and write the 3 lines in a such a way. So if you are not having Bhagavatam or something, then I'll just take a copy, photo of this and post it so that you all can write it at the end of the book. Iti nanvanug Iti nanvanugruhya vallavihi vipinanteshu pureva samcharan karunashishiro hare hara. Haratvaraya should be one word. Okay, now again a thought has come. It was not marked before. But please don't pause over here. Keep it together. Karuna Shishiro Hare. But Haratvaraya is a word that quickly remove. So we should not pause over here, I feel. Haratvaraya, like that we cannot say, no? Haratvaraya. So Haratvaraya, that time that Dvitva has to come. So no Bada break over, yeah? Mark it. इति नन्वनुगृह्य वल्लवीः विपिनान्तेषु पुरेव सञ्चरन् करुणाशिशिरो हरे हरत्वरया मे सकलामयावलिम् कात्यायनि महामाये महायोगिन्यधीश्वरी नन्दगोपसुतं देवी पतिं मे कुरुते नमः इति मन्त्रं जपन्त्यस्ताः पूजां चक्रुः कुमारिकाः सदा सत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवं नमस्ते. With his krupa, somehow we have completed with all vignas happening today, and in spite of them, well in time for daily Gita as well. If anybody has doubt, please send me a WhatsApp message, and we meet next Monday and we continue further. And if you're not, I'll post anyways the photo. So even if you don't get it, you can please copy it and write it in the book where from which you are going to chant that book, and plus our notebook which we are writing all the dashakams, right? In the way we are supposed to chant, where we are breaking pada, where we are not breaking pada. In that method, maintain a notebook separate so that, and in a very good and beautiful handwriting without scratching anywhere, without overwriting anywhere. So that would be our master book from where we are going to refer and read. Let's end today's session. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry about this
Thank you.
internet. It's not yet
Hari Om,
sorted.
Ashadi. Thank you.
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om.
It was on data, so I heard how the data comes. It's very, that's why this was also getting interrupted today. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you,
Hari Om.
Varsha.
Thank
Hari Om.
you. Hari Om,
Hari Om, Varsha
Devati.
Didi.
Hari Om, Ji. Hari Om. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Varsha
Good to see you. Thank you, Ji. Lalita Ji, you are out somewhere.
I was
And
driving.
the session.